You get it? That's the case. But the next batch of level 2 would not be the same. Okay? Or the next batch of level 1 would not be the same. You have to appoint a group leader that are already graduated from level 1. Okay, so any clarification? Yes.
Yeah, if there is a student who has difficulty memorizing the memory verse, the group leader sends that person
Student to the instructor.
So the group leader is actually he just directs
To the instructor.
Okay.
But before sending that student, please send him with your encouragement and approval and your joy with your heart, that you are with him, that you support him, something like that.
But the group leader is not allowed to give advice as to how to approach the situation. Only encouragement.
Advice, only encouragement. Because if you start giving advice, you might be stepping the role of the instructor already. Because there might be a possibility that you would give your take already, your opinion of how to handle a situation. And that's the role of the instructor.
Okay, and then during the group discussions, let's say when they share their take or what they receive from the teaching, let's say they say something that is not correct. Let's say they receive something that is not right. Do we send them to the instructor straight away, or do we bring that correction?
No, you can correct that, because you too know the topic under discussion. So if he misquoted something from the teaching, you can correct him that it was not the right words that was used in that particular teaching. You can just that's just a correction. Thank you.
In memory verses, like the navigators, they give us memory cards
Yes.
to memorize. Do you give that too?
Yes, Pastor. Yeah, we also advise students to always carry those memory cards.
But they write their own, or we print and give them?
You can print, because it's already in the booklet what to memorize each week. So you can reprint.
Give them to memorize.
Yes, Pastor. The church can provide that memory verse, because it's already there in the booklet what to memorize from first week, second week, third week to fourth week. So you can print that. So in that way you are helping your students, because that's actually the advice for them to be able to really memorize. You help them in that discipline of memorizing scriptures, because it's really discipline of reading the Bible, memorizing scriptures. So if there's a way of extra other means of helping, please do it, because we're not restricted with those kinds of other ways and means to help them. Yeah. See, well, so what can you say about this role of a group leader? It's really serious matter, right? Do you see that it's really a serious thing, leading your group of students? We really mean ministry here. It's really a ministry of helping, discipling individual who is hungry of God's word. So that's why we always say that it's really, this role of a group leader is really critical in terms of the success of the process. If the student would succeed in the process, you're part. As a group leader, you're part of that. Okay, so if there's no more clarification, and before we take a break, because can we take a break, Pastor, by 9:30, or just we need to take a break right now? Is it okay? We finish this instructor. By the way, it's just two or three pages for the instructor. We can do it in a short period of time, and then we can have our break. Okay? Can we proceed to the instructor? Can we stand first? Can we stand all together first, and let's have an exercise. In the Philippines, we lift up our hands and